Right, so the idea was today was to go out and have a bit of a cookout. I've been out there and bought myself some eggs. I've got some bacon in there somewhere. Somewhere is lurking some bacon. But the way it is at the moment with the weather, it's just started to chuck it down again. It ain't gonna happen. But still, I'm gonna go out there and have a bit of a walk with Kov. We have got KOV-KAM. And we're just going to go and get wet, I suppose, but it's time for his walk today, and I thought I'd just make a bit of a video and bring you along. Let's go. Let's go. Not exactly sure how this video is going to pan out, guys. This is very much a spontaneous kind of a video. I did have something planned for tomorrow, was to go out somewhere nice, have a bit of a cookout under a tarp, but apparently we've got a massive storm coming in, going to hit the UK either tonight or tomorrow. I just kind of scuppered my plans. This is my first day off really for about a week. I've been quite busy and I did not want to stay indoors. I was hell-bent on getting out and doing something at least. Anyway, we've got a good old KOV-KAM going. It's on a bit of a slant at the moment. Just see if I can slightly adjust that. It just needs a bit of it's a bit loose. It needs a bit of it needs tightening up really. Leave me alone. You're not helping the situation, are you? Go away, sit down, stay. See if I can. Go on. That's it. Kov, leave him alone. Come here. Come here. Come here. Perhaps they're just chasing it off then, because they do that, don't they?
They do, but it's a younger one, do you know what I mean?
Well, it's still a fledgling because it's still got its brown feathers.
Yeah, and the rest of them.
I think what I'll do is take the old drone up and go and have a little look, see what's going on over there. I think it might have settled down a little bit after the initial craziness which just went on. yeah, there's obviously, you know, there's the great side, there's the good side of creation, lovely side of nature, and then on the flip side of that, you've got the not so nice side, the cruel side of nature. So then you've got to think to yourself, you know, sort of drawing the line really of whereabouts do you sort of get involved with it all. You know, whereabouts do you get involved with nature? Because, you know, we do have an impact. We can have an impact on nature, obviously. But nature will be fine just left to its own devices without man getting involved, without man kind of sticking. He's done enough damage over the years, hasn't he? Without man sticking his oar in. Perhaps it was the parents' time to chase it off. Something happens inside the parents' mind, you know, to think, right, now is the time to chase this one off, and so it goes off, and it's a good thing in a way, because it can then go off and find a mate, then it can then reproduce of its own. Okay, so that's obviously that's the beneficial side of that. Not always nice to see, but that's just the plain nuts and bolts of nature. It's just how it's become such a wonderful thing, and we can come out and we can witness it and experience it, if you like. And I thought I'd just take my cameras along with me and film my experience, just to fill you in really what's been going on in Andy's world of late. So there we go, people. It's nice to have you come along. I hope you've kind of enjoyed what I've had to share. Not much excitement, but there we go. We can't always live life on the edge, can we? If we were honest, most people's lives are pretty dull, drab, and yeah, fairly boring. Anyway, sorry about the rain on the screen. Can't do an awful lot about that. Blame it on the nature. But it's just to say thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and from a very wet Stanton Park, bye for now. Right, there's Kov and KOV-KAM. Come on, young man, I'll stick you in the car now. Even I think he wants to go home. I cannot wait for a cup of tea and a bite to eat. Come on, chappy, in you come. Good lad, good lad. Good boy. In you go, boy. Yep, go. Yeah, good chap, good chap. Well done.
Potato.